What are you eating there? Eating.
It's a dog.
Yummy. Is that your first watermelon?
Yeah.
What do you think of watermelon? Are you eating it or are you drinking it?
He's drinking it. He's doing the sign for drink. You want more? More? Good. Mom's doing sound effects. Is that so good? Watch out for your finger.
Eat your own finger, buddy.